Alright, so I just started ripping some of the carpet out. That's what it looks like underneath where I pulled it up. This is what it's looking like right now. A lot of rust. Definitely gonna have to replace these floor pans. And we got the front. Let me move this. There's the front right here. Yep, so I'm gonna get some more of this out. Better vacuum all this rust out right here. This is broke right here when I got to get new seats too. But looks like somebody had speaker wire right here. Yeah, we're gonna have to suck all this up, get all this cleaned up. Alright, doing some more vacuum in here. See a little hole right there that I've got right there. Floor pan's definitely got to be replaced. So I'm gonna vacuum the front and then get that side, and I'll show you guys that. Alright, so all that is there is off. About to go ahead and get all this side off. So alright, so just got this other side, the back part out. That's what it's looking like. A lot of rust too. It's definitely seen its better days. So the battery right here, we'll get all that out, rip all this out and get the front off, and let's keep going. I just got this floor out in the front, or the carpet. Next up is vacuuming it out and getting these last couple pieces off, and then peeling that off there, whatever that stuff is somebody put up on there. All the carpet's out, like I said before. Just was peeling this stuff off. You can see the original paint's right there, right there. It's a pretty nice color. Not looking too bad. This is all in pretty good shape. I mean, there's a little work that can be done right there. That's pretty solid. Frame looks alright. Just the boards need to be replaced. Get this carpet off right here.
Alright, we're gonna start taking the seats out here. We had to look it up. We weren't sure how to get them out. There's no regular bolts or anything. But if you look here, take a flathead and you push this pin down, it'll release it. It's a keeper. It'll release it and the seats will slide out forward to get your seats out. So, something we just learned. And if you guys are watching the video and do a restore, you'll see that's the way we got to do it. Alright, next one. Alright guys, we got the headliner out. Well, there's still some pieces, but for the most part we got it out. Found no padding underneath there, so when we go to replace that, we'll get some proper padding. I'm gonna do a black headliner instead of this the perforated white. Found where there's supposed to be a dome light right there in that hole there that wasn't there. The wires are just taped off, so we're gonna have to do all that. But it's starting to get there, at least gutted anyways. We got a few holes gonna have to be patched. Alright, well, we got most of the inside taken care of. Let's start working on some of these louvers. Oh, that one's already loose. Okay. If we can get this other louver out, if that comes out. Yep, that one came out too. So Well, it looks probably gonna have to replace these. These look a little rough, so we'll put them in our bin of things to keep, and they'll go to be replaced. Next, we're gonna start working on probably tackling these tail lights. See if we can get these things out in one piece. So. Definitely be replacing these rings here.
This is where we've been keeping all our spare parts, in here with the tools, in the trunk. That's like ashtray, other stuff in there.
Just kind of keeping things organized, numbered, to make sure that everything's properly.
Probably be getting these bumpers off here soon.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to get some more baggies here to put everything back where they keep them all together. Alright, we got the driver's side headlight out. I'm gonna try to work on getting this here.
The shocks are bad, so in the front. So he's gonna have to get this out. That's the seal. We put the other headlight right here. It's not in that bad of condition, but we'll definitely be replacing them with something more updated, just a little bit brighter. This bulb looks like it was burnt out.
Just a little bit.
Under the car. Here's our horn right here. The horn actually does not work
At this time.
Yeah, so right up there, it's the light he's trying to get out. Again, there's our horn. Got a little bit of rust right there that I can see on the frame. Alright, so that should pop off now.
Beautiful.
Here we go. Now you gotta disconnect that wiring.
Oh,
There's two of them in there.
2 wirings.
One of them. Let's pop the seal out.
Boom.
There's this. I'm gonna stick that down in here. And then here's the rubber seal for that side, which doesn't look in too bad of condition.
No.
So, and we'll get the other side off, and then we'll come back to you guys after we get it off. Or something. Pretend like you're messing with it. Alright, he's getting this last one out right here. Go ahead and pull that baby out. And
Bada bing, bada bang.
basically, he's just gonna disconnect the wiring. Oh, while he was actually doing that, I had just gotten these undone from the bottom of the fenders underneath. It's down there pretty good. Okay, it was stuck down a little bit. Just got that out now.